students, welcome back. We can continue exercise 18C. First we can do question number 2. OABC is a rhombus whose three vertices A, B and C lie on a circle with center O. First question, if the radius of the circle is 10 cm, find the area of the rhombus. Second, if the area of the rhombus is 32 root 3 cm square, find the radius of the circle. So, two questions are there. We can do that. Given OABC is a rhombus. So, before doing this problem, we want to know some properties of a rhombus. So, rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal. Say parallelogram, all the sides are equal, and first condition is that all the sides are equal. Then second condition is diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 degree. So each angle will be 90 degree. And the third condition is each diagonal bisects angle at the vertices. That means diagonal AC, that is this is diagonal AC, bisects which one? Angle A and angle C. Similarly, diagonal, this diagonal bisects what? One more diagonal is there, means OB is the diagonal. So it bisects at a B and a O. So three conditions are there. First one is what? First one is all the sides are equal. All the sides. So which are the sides here in this? Sides are OC, OA, BC, AB. So all the four sides are equal. So this one, sides are equal. That is the first property of a rhombus. Second property is diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. That is what? This angle will be 90 degree, this one 90 degree, this one 90 degree, this one 90 degree. Second one. Then third one, each diagonal bisect angles at the vertices. So bisects angles at the vertices means these two will be equal. This two will be equal here. These two will be equal. So these are the properties of a rhombus. And one more, area of a rhombus. Here we want to find the area of a rhombus. So area of a rhombus is, formula is half into product of diagonals. So area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. That is, product of diagonals means two diagonals are there, that is OB into AC. So formula is half into OB into AC. So this thing we want to keep in mind. Next we can do the problem. We can start the problem. Okay. Given a radius is equal to 10 cm. So radius means OA is the radius, OB radius, OC is the radius. So each of 10 cm, 10 cm, this will be 10 cm. OB is 10 cm. So OB is 10 cm. Then we can write OE is equal to, now we discuss the properties. So we can say that OE will be half of OB. OB is 10 cm. So 10 divided by 2 will be OE. So OE is equal to 5 cm. So up to this we got it as what? OE we got it as what? This one I am shading this as 5 cm. Consider the right triangle OCE. So we are considering this triangle. This is a right angle triangle. We discussed now. This will be 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree using the property of rhombus. Now we got this as 5 cm. Already in the question this as OC as 10 cm. So using Pythagoras theorem. What about EC? EC square will be what? So this is the base. This is the hypotenuse. 5 is the base and this will be the altitude. That is OCE square will be OC square hypotenuse square minus base square. So 10 square minus 5 square. So 100 minus 25, which is equal to 75. So EC is equal to root of 75. So factorize that, you will get it as 5 root 3. Then look at EC. Look at EC. EC. So what about AC diagonal? AC will be 2 times EC. So EC we got it as 5 root 3. So AC will be what? 2 into 5 root 3, that is 10 root 3. Why we are finding this AC? We need that for finding what the area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus formula is what? Half into product of diagonal. So AC is a diagonal. We know OB we got. It is there in the question itself. OB is the radius, which is what? 10 centimeter. So half into OB is one diagonal. Half into OB into AC. AC now we got it as 10 root 3. So how can we write? Area of rhombus OABC is equal to half into product of diagonals, that is half into OB into AC. So half into 10 root 3. So 2 and 10 we can cancel 5 times. So 5 into 10, 50 root 3 centimeter square. That is our first part. Next we can do the second part.